You can read, write and understand English well, but can you speak English with confidence? Hi, this is Shriju Thomas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a guy who is presently working in Dubai, but basically I'm from Kerala, brought up in Kerala and studied on the government school. On my YouTube channel I will be posting some videos about how to speak English with confidence but with mistake, and some motivational stories, some inspiring topics and some life hacking tips and some live video vlogs. I will be coming up with new videos on every week, so don't forget to subscribe this channel for the new content, and you will learn how to speak English with confidence even if there is mistake. So see you next time with some interesting topics. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Shriju Thomas signing off.